Hi everyone, today I wanted to teach you how to create an offset in Inkscape for your text. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in to 100%, and this is just personal preference. And then next I'm going to go ahead and select my text box, which is over on the left hand side where the A is. I'm then going to drag my mouse to create a text box on the screen. And I'm going to be typing in the Hello Honey font from the font. And once I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the top arrow to select. I'm going to go to Path, Object to Path. And then next I'm going to click over here where it says Object. And I'm going to scroll down to Ungroup. Once I have ungrouped my text, I'm going to go back up to Path. And I'm going to select Union. And once I've done that, I can go ahead and uncheck this top box right here to turn off snapping. And once I've done that, I can go back to Path and click on Linked Offset. And then I'm just going to look for the diamond above my text. And so for my text, it's above the S. And then I'm just going to go ahead and drag it up to create my offset. And I'm going to change this to pink so that you can see. And as you can see, the larger you do, the more it fills in, as well as you can make it thinner or less of a shadow. And so for mine, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to click on the black text, and I'm going to click on the select tool right up top. And I'm just going to go ahead and move that down. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on my shadow. And I'm going to go back to path, and then object to path. And I'm going to select the second arrow down. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a bunch of nodes within my shadow. So what the nodes are they are points in your design that connect and make up your design. So around all of the white spots, there are nodes, and I'm just going to want to get rid of those white spots so that it fills in. And all I need to do is drag a box around those nodes and click on my backspace on the keyboard. And so if you did not do this, the Cricut would cut out all of those nodes. So obviously I don't want a bunch of extra cuts. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. If you wanted the white in your shadow, you would not need to do that. And so lastly, before I save it, I'm going to go ahead and click this top arrow. And I'm going to go up to File and then Save As. And as you can see, it's going to save it as an SVG. And then I can open up Cricut Design Space, and I can go to Upload Image, Browse, and find what I've just saved, and then open it. And it already has the background erased. I don't need to do anything. I can just simply save it and insert it into my canvas. And once I've done that, I can resize it as needed. I can also ungroup it. I can move this around, and I can change the colors if I wanted to. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you. Have a great day.